Hi, before implementation of JP CRUD operation in Spring Boot, we discuss about REST controller in a Spring Boot application. So here we need employee controller in a presentation layer. So here we define post API and get API. So first post API, which is get request and get API for also get one path variable and execute this basically. So we need to create DTO, request DTO and response DTO. Employee service. Catch. Now two fields we are added in ID and name, and getter and setter method we implemented here. Now date class should be accessing response no, request body in a post mapping method. Now only here set the consume and produce result. So consume means client side request catch as a application JSON format, and produce means response should be in specific format, either is XML or JSON. If here we specify in JSON format, then it should be written in a JSON. So purpose only here API should work post and get API because of after that we need to perform CRUD operation of GPA, all type of CRUD operation. So before implementation of the CRUD operation, we see the basic structure of the API. So we need a post API and get API. So here call API should be work or not. So here application starts success, but API URL not proper. We can add ID and employee name here for catching this request on a post mapping. Now we can cross verify with application.properties. It has any context path or not. Now we need to practice path here before employee. So it should be work. Yeah, post mapping working fine. Now next we can add a get mapping API. Not consume, produce, and path variable. We can catch path variable is a employee ID. All good. Now restart application and now we can check it will work not. So post API is working and we next check get API is working. Method not allow. We pass path variable. So it is working. So our before implementing and performing CRUD of JPA, our post and get API is done. So in next we see how to store, how to retrieve data, how to bulk store. So that's it.